Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today I'm doing a tutorial on this eye makeup look that you see right here. I used the new Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Cosmetics Conspiracy palette to create this look. I am so excited about this palette. The whole concept, I'm just obsessed with. So this is the inside. I'm sure you've seen it. I am more gravitated towards all of these neutral shades, obviously, but I had so many requests to use Not a Fact, Illuminati, and food videos. Now, Not a Fact is definitely up my alley, but the other two are not. So I did include Illuminati in this look, and if you wanted to really take it to the next step, you could definitely add that bright ass yellow in here, but I was outside of my comfort zone enough for this video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy following along with the tutorial. Please subscribe and let's get started. I want to show you guys this look I've been wanting to do for like 2 years. I can't find the artist, but if I can find the artist, I will link her down below because this is like majestic. I love this look. I've loved it for so long. So I'm thinking I kind of want to do something like this. We'll see where this goes. So my eyes are prepped and primed. I used Painterly Paint Pot from MAC and set it with powder. I'm gonna start with Tanacon, and then I'm gonna go into Diet Root Beer. I'm gonna grab my E40 brush from Sigma and go into Tanacon and bring this in the crease. And bring that underneath. Look up into my mirror. Now gonna go into Diet Root Beer, and I'm gonna deepen this up. Still using my E40 from Sigma. Oh, I need to swatch these. Oh my gosh. This, I think with these three would be really cool, but I'm also kind of like, this is just gonna sit right here for inspo while I do the rest of this. I'm going to grab my Smith 230 brush and I'm gonna go into Not a Fact, and I'm gonna start pushing this on the outer lid, and then I'm gonna bring it into the crease as well. Something is in my eye over here. Oh my gosh, this color. You guys know I'm obsessed with this color. Obsessed. This is like me in a color. I mean, I know I like my neutral shades, but if you've been following me for a while, these kind of like darker purples, I die over. Love them so much. And this one in particular, it's like a grape. That's what it is, a grape shade. So I'm just pushing this all over the lid on the outer part, and then just lightly bringing this into the crease as well. Lightly bring it inward. And then I'm going into this 232. It's clean, it just looks really dirty. So I'm just gonna go and blend this out. My brushes get stained very easily. I'm gonna grab Tanacon. Use that to kind of buff this out a little bit. Yes, bitch. And now I'm just packing this on the outer part of the lid. Now that the crease is all blended and stuff, just to really pack on that color and make it really pigmented. Then I'm also going to like fade it inwards. I'm actually coming from this side, so this is my right hand, crossing across my body and bringing this way. I'm dragging from the center inwards. I mean, you could do that way too, but I think this is easier. Now you have that fade from the inner lid in. It's really not that serious. You don't have to do it like that. And whenever you're applying a matte shade on the lid, I always like to use a fluffy brush just because I think it packs on the color better than like a flat brush would. But if you're using a shimmery color, I feel the opposite. If you want that to go on more pigmented, use a flat, very condensed brush. 'Cause science. All right, so that's done. I feel like I don't have to really flick. See, flicking on this side's easier because I'm right-handed, so I can just, you know, do it this way. I don't have to get all technical and weird with it, but there we go. I normally go in and do the bottom lash line right now, but I'm not really sure what I want to do yet with that. So I'm gonna hop on into Illuminati, which is the shimmery green shade here, and I'm gonna put that on the inner part of the lid. I might even grab a little bit of What's the Tea, but we'll see. We're gonna start with Illuminati first. I am gonna spray this with some setting spray just to intensify the color, and it also ensures that you're like not gonna get any fallout. This is giving me Barney vibes. Going back in with Not a Fact. Kind of blending it in towards that color. I kind of want to see what it's gonna look like if I add What's the Tea. So I think I'm gonna go into What's the Tea on the other side of this brush. I feel like I can go over this if I don't end up liking it, but I'm gonna put this right here. I like it. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna grab a little bit of pigment on that E40 brush from Sigma and just, I'm gonna hold really far back because I don't want to apply too much of this, and just halo this through to brighten it up a little bit. You see how that just went boop? Where this, I mean, I think it looks fine, but this just really brightens it up. You can't even tell that you added a pink, but it just brightens up the whole look and kind of complements the other shades. And I think it helps it blend better too. I'm gonna go into Midnight Cowboy Glitter Liner from Urban Decay and put this like right there. Okay, I feel like because of that, this needs eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the Inglot number 74 eyeliner. It's a dark purple color. So I feel like because of the wing and the glitter liner, it kind of covered up a lot of the purple, which I didn't want to happen. I actually wish I didn't do those two things. I still think it's pretty. It's just totally something like I would never do. It's just not my style, you know? So now I'm going to emphasize more of that purple shade on the bottom because it's kind of missing in the top for me for as much as I want it up there. So I'm gonna grab Not a Fact on an E15 from Sigma. Look up and bring this underneath the eye. I'm gonna grab the 216 from Makeup Forever and go right over that with the same color just to diffuse it. I'm gonna grab my, no, I don't want this one, I lied. I'm gonna grab my E40 with the pigment shade, that like pinky color, and blend it out. I'm gonna go into the Alkaline eyeliner from Urban Decay. It's this like dark purple red. I'm gonna grab Ranch and mix it with my pills. And pop that here on the inner corner. Taking my pills by itself up on the brow bone. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. Prep for lashes. And now I'm applying these lashes from Velour. They're in the style Wild Child. So that is the finished look up close. Damn, I really went out of my comfort zone. This is definitely outside of my comfort zone. I really love it though. I think the colors together are really cool. I love the gem, what is it, not gemstone, jewel toned shadows together. I keep saying the same thing. Seriously, I'm still sick, so I can't even think straight. What I'm trying to say is I love jewel toned shades and I love these two colors together. I really, really love it. I think if I really wanted to go out of my comfort zone, I could have put the bright yellow shade in the inner corner. That would be really cool. It's just not my style. So to be honest, I do think the glitter liner is pretty with this look, but I think with how I applied everything, I would have preferred to not include the glitter liner, but I cannot wait to use, let me zoom out. I cannot wait to use this palette again and do something a little bit more natural. I actually really want to use the Not a Fact shade all over my lid. You guys know I love looks like that. Just those like sultry, smoky purple shades. And also like these silvers are really grabbing my attention too. So let me know if you want to see more from that palette. I won't be doing any more like specific palette videos like with the conspiracy palette or the mini controversy palette, just because between this launch and the Tati launch, there's like, I could literally make like 5 million videos just with those 3 palettes alone. So I'm gonna kind of cool it with those for now, but maybe we can play over on Instagram with these and stuff. I just have a lot of ideas for like holiday videos and like winter videos that I will fit these as they fit. I can't talk, you guys. I'll include those 3 palettes that recently came out in future videos as I can. It's just, it's hard to keep up with these launches, to be honest. It's like I can only pump out 1 video per palette. It's a lot. So I hope you understand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The more I'm staring at this look, the more I'm just like feeling it, and I'm really feeling it with this lip color. I used Truffle liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors, in case you're curious. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.